It's your boy Jay. We're back with another video. Sorry guys, I've been gone so long. A lot of people been DMing me on Instagram asking me to make another video on how to do direct linking without a website with ClickBank or Digistore 24. So today that's what we're gonna do. Product I'm gonna promote today is called Quiet Them Plus. It's a Tennessee's product. Let's go set our link. It's our direct linking link. This is affiliate page. Grab the default video links. Make sure this works. Okay, it works. Put this in Click Magic. Val. Plus direct link. Val. Got this. Alright, let's go to Microsoft Keyword Planner. Grab some words. Tennessee's relief. There's suggestions. Keyword suggestions. This is how you do keyword research. This is how I usually do my research. Let's look. Best relief for tendencies. Can use this. Put that in here. Ways to relieve tendencies. Type this that in. How to relieve tendencies. That with tendencies relief. I like that one. Relieve tendencies ear ringing. I like that one. Okay, let's get to campaign creation. Visit to my website, search as next. Alright, Tennessee's Quiet Bus. Budget, we'll do about $40 a day. The top tier countries: United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, New Zealand. Uncheck this. Saving up the next step. Add group name. Leave Texas. Tennessee's. So we're going to come to our tool, exact phrase match. We'll put this together. That in here. Back to treatment. And add these words. Exact phrase. Select all, copy, paste that. And 3, bring it right bringing here. Got these words, phrase and exact, select all, copy, stay here, save the next step. And this one, is, let's see, how to relieve tenses. How to tenses. Secret or ritual. There's our links down here, description, how to relieve tenses, secret morning ritual, watch quick presentation. Wow, that's our first ad. Save that. Get another one, copy that, do tenses. That's true. Save, copy as net group. How to treat tenses. Signal and ritual. Save that. Add tenses. Treatment. SM. Ringing in your solution. Like that. How to stop ringing now. Say go to the next step. Maximize clicks. Set our bidding at 35 cents a click. Add distribution. Microsoft selected traffic. This option Microsoft sites and select perfect traffic first. Select Microsoft ping. Microsoft sites and partner traffic. So save that. Have it. Gonna wait about a few hours for our campaign to get viewed and approved. Get a campaign started. So that's how you create a direct linking campaign. It's pretty simple. Then we go in and optimize the campaign once it start running and get 200-300 clicks. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram at JWillTV or leave in the comment section. In the meanwhile, you guys have a good day. Like, subscribe.